What are you doing? What? Is your leg stuck? Are you eating a chicken nugget? What's that? Angel, chew your food. Chew your food, please. Are you going to sweep for me? Hey, can you say hi? Angel, can you say hi? Bye-bye? Whoa. No, leave that out in there. Oh my gosh. Can you say bye-bye? Sure. No, over here. Look at me. Bye-bye. Okay, bye.